$500,000 reward for information leading to Medikk safe return. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Millicent McCarty, the mother of missing entertainer Medikk, has put up a $500,000 reward for information leading to the return of her daughter, Stephanie Williams, who has been missing for over 10 days. Even 10 days after nothing is happening, the police are dragging their feet. They are calling me to ask me if anyone hear anything. I am not an investigator, McCarty told reporters. According to the police, 29-year-old Williams was last seen wearing a black blouse, black tights and a pair of black shoes. She is of brown complexion, slim build and about 5 feet 7 inches tall. Anyone with information on her whereabouts is being urged to call 311. If the information leads to her safe return, they will have access to the $500,000 reward. McCarty, a successful entrepreneur and Christian, believes that the police should be moving with more speed and purpose in the matter. The police are saying that I must come to Kingston again. I must come as fast as I can. But to do what? They have all the information. The police are not working as fast as they should. Her phone is not giving out any signal. They haven't contacted the telecoms carrier. I know the cell phone carrier would want to assist them, but why is nothing happening? Miss McCarty said she raised 3 daughters in the church and revealed that while growing up, Medikk wanted to be a nurse. Hence, she played her artist name Medikk. The worried mother said that her daughter's story is cautionary tale for young ladies with aspiration in a cold secular world. She wanted to be a nurse. She wanted to be an interior decorator. I work without a father to send my 3 daughters to college. She said Medikk's father met in an accident and died, and she had to raise their daughter alone. McCarty said that she won her daughter left, right, and center, especially after she did plastic surgeries to enhance her physical attributes so she could compete with other women in the shallow world of entertainment. McCarty said that she suspected that a shadow of danger was creeping over her daughter's life, and she urged her to return to the arms of God. The mother further stated that the world needs to help me look for the little girl. She doesn't deserve this. Sometimes she upset me, but I still push. I fight with them, she said, with her voice breaking into a rain of frightening anguish and tears. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.